Hey guys, got something really cool. My wife gave me an early Christmas present. Let me show you what it is. What do you think it is? And there it is, a pair of glasses. But it's not just any pair of glasses. It's very special because it is intended for my new toy. This is a K40 Chinese laser cutter. I hold up for a long time because I thought it was a pretty dangerous toy. Yeah, it has a laser which could blind you, hence the special laser protective glasses. And then it has high voltage, which could kill you. But yeah, they all complain about how terrible these things are made, but either I got lucky or they've gotten better because I thought it was made quite well. The cables are clean. They even put hot glue there to make sure that nothing gets loose. There's wire harness, which is a little loose, I suppose, but I haven't actually turned it on yet. There's a lot of preparation to get this up and running. I've been learning a lot from YouTube. Let's see what I can do. So on the left we have Inkscape. It's like a drawing program. And on the right we have K40 Whisperer, the thing that will actually take whatever you draw and send it to the laser. So let's press raster engrave. Rastering. Still creating lines. 40%, 70%, 90%. Here goes. Oh, that's actually fire. I think that's fire because I don't have any air assist. So that's being sucked right there from the vent. You could see sometimes there's a little spark here and there. Let's see if I can zoom. Oh, it's getting. Let's take a look. Turn off the laser. Get inside. I think that's pretty amazing.